4 days after her entry into the BJP, there seems to be a split in the party over the projection of Kiran Bedi, the possible projection of Kiran Bedi as the party's chief ministerial candidate. While some members are openly voicing dissent, some have tried to downplay reports of differences within the party.
वो अगर उनको या किसी को भी हमारी पार्टी सीएम घोषित करती है तो मैं बहुत खुशी से उनको इनवाइट करूंगा, बट बिहेवियर ऐसा शो करना कि हम बस सीएम हैं और हम सबको डिक्टेट करेंगे, तो विदाउट परमिटिंग माय पार्टी आई कांट फॉलो।
मैं आपसे एक ही सीधा सवाल पूछता हूं सर, आपने अभी ये कहा कि आपके हिसाब से अगर भाजपा सिर्फ उसी नारे के साथ जाए कि मतलब मोदी जी के साथ तो अच्छा रहेगा, किसी और फेस के साथ ना जाए, ये आप कह रहे हैं, राइट?
हम ये नहीं करेंगे उसी के साथ जाए, पार्टी बताए कि वो कैसे जाना चाहती है। हमारा अभी तक का नारा है चलो चले मोदी के साथ, उसी के साथ हमने पिछले 3 चुनाव जीते हैं, तो आगे हमारा नारा क्या ये पार्टी बताए।
Delhi unit of BJP is totally united, and all are fighting with one mission. That is, we are going to have our mission to win 60 seats.
All right. But sir, also the fact remains that many are saying that the senior leaders weren't consulted before inducting Dr. Kiran Bedi. How much truth is that there in this?
In India, BJP is the only political party which has got an inner democracy. And I know consultation at every level is done in our party.
Naturally, the opposition parties are using this opportunity to take a dig at the BJP and saying that they are already divided even before the elections start.
I have a great sympathies for Dr. Harshvardhan, Jagdish Mukhi, Vijender Gupta and Vijay Goyal, Samit Patra, Nalin Kohlis of the world, who have been working hard for the last 30-40 years, and every political worker has a reason to think that one day they will end up as a chief minister of the state. And suddenly, if you remember that after 30-40 years of your hard work and sweat, that somebody who has no stake in the BJP in 2 days back and comes back into the party, he's brought back into the party and thrusted up from the top, how will you react to this? Obviously, these people will react. The BJP, the real BJP, is not accepting Kiran Bedi as a candidate in that sense.
Could be the CM face?
I don't want to speculate on that. It's for the BJP to decide whether they want to project or they don't want to project. My question is, which we have been asking for the last 3-4 months, that you don't have talent. Ultimately, we are proved right. We have indicated.
That is the reason they are not announcing the name.
Of course, they are not announcing. And there is a lot of, because yesterday and the day before yesterday, I had a long chat with the top BJP leadership in Delhi, and he clearly says that the Kiran Bedi will bring chaos and the crisis in the party.
Who told you that?
No, I don't want to. I don't want to get into that, because reporters don't share their sources. He said exactly what the words: Kiran Bedi will bring chaos and the crisis in the party. And for the last 2 days, if you see, there is a serious crisis in the party, and the people are not accepting her.
We see BJP leaders coming out in open and saying that, she is not named as the candidate. She herself thinks that she is the CM candidate. Some of the BJP MLAs and MPs openly coming out and telling people that she is only a candidate. She is inducted in the party. She is a candidate. She is not the chief minister candidate. This is something which they should explain. But the fact remains that, a non-political person who has been decrying and disowning the BJP's ideology till the other day was taken and put above everybody else. Naturally, there will be frustration.